Today in this session we will study the kinetics of the reversible reaction. So we will study the first order kinetics of the reversible reaction. So reactant is converted into products. So this is the forward reaction, this is the backward reaction. For forward reaction, the rate constant K, for backward reaction rate constant Kb. So we can see this concentration versus time graph. So this is the concentration of the reactant which is decreasing with respect to time, and this is the concentration of the product which is increased with respect of time. So after t interval or t time, the rate of reaction becomes equal to each other. This means the rate of forward reaction becomes rate of backward reaction. So a reversible reaction occurs in both directions, in which the forward and backward reaction they take place simultaneously. So both take place simultaneously. Means the rate of forward reaction is going forward, and from product to reactant is going backward, as we have seen chemical equilibrium topic. At the start, the rate of forward reaction is very high. Initially, the rate of reaction is very high, and which continuously decreases with respect to time. Why? Why it is decreasing? Decreasing because the reactant is also decreasing with respect to time. So on the other hand, initially the rate of backward reaction is also slow. Definitely, the amount of product is very slow, very less. That's why it is very slow, and which continuously increases with time as the product increases with time. However, at equilibrium, what happens? The rate of forward reactions. So at time, rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. So this stage is called as the dynamic equilibrium. This we have already seen in the chemical equilibrium topics. So this type of reversible reaction depends upon the order of their elementary process of forward and backward reactions. One thing you have to note down in thermodynamics, if you take the reversible reaction, so they are said to be reversible. Why? Because the driving force, that is delta G of each step of reaction, is infinitesimally small, and direction of reaction can be reversed at any moment. So two things are important. One is the driving force of the rate of reaction of each step is infinitesimally small. They are very, very small, and you can reverse the direction of reaction at any time, any moment. But if you take the kinetics, in terms of kinetics, a reversible means a reaction in which the conversion of reactant product and vice versa simultaneously. The reactant is converted into product and product is converted into reactant. Both take place simultaneously. Reactant product, product is reactant. So this is the difference between reversible reaction thermodynamics and reversible reaction kinetics. Let us see some of the examples. So H2 plus I2. So this is reversible reactions of ammonium cyanide converted into urea, cyclopropane converted into propene, carbon monoxide plus nitrogen oxide is converted into carbon dioxide plus nitrogen. So K by Kb in each case is given. So these are the example of reversible reaction. So we have an opposite reaction of the first order, namely this K is converted into product. This is the Kf and Kb. So at equilibrium, so this is K equilibrium. So this is equal to K by Kb. So Kf and Kb are the rate constant respectively. So this is the initially what happens, the amount of the is 0, and this is B at the equilibrium. So at some time what happens, we have to is some amount of A is decreasing, is converted into product. So this is B plus X, and this A also decreases, this becomes A minus X. So this is increasing, this is decreasing. So after at equilibrium what will happen? So this is become Xeq and this become Xeq, means both will be, this is decreasing, this is increasing, this is decreasing, this is increasing. So it will go reversible direction. So this become constant, this become constant. So this stage is called as the A equilibrium, and this stage is called as the B equilibrium. And if you want to calculate the degree of dissociation for this one, so we can write alpha of T for this one will equal to how much? So this will be your X divided by initial concentration. So total is A, so X by A. And for this one, if you want to degree of dissociation, so degree of dissociation for this stage will be how much? So X equilibrium divided by the initial concentration, that is the total concentration. This is one. And again, rate of reactant A, that is forward reaction, will be Kf into A. Rate of reaction will be Kf into A, or we can write Kf A minus X for A at any time. Similarly, for the rate of reaction of the B will be Kb into concentration of product, or Kb into Kb plus X at any time t. So but what net reaction? So net reaction of this will be how much? So it will be rate of forward reaction minus rate of backward reaction. So rate of forward reaction, that is the minus this is the net reaction is minus dA by dt. So kf into a minus x minus kb into b plus x. We can write like this one. So this is minus dA minus x by dt will be equal to kf a minus x minus kb into ab plus x, and this is nothing but the age constant value minus minus plus dx by dt will equal to kf into a minus x minus kb into b plus x. So at equilibrium the net rate is 0, so we can take dx by dt equal to 0 because concentration become constant and x represents the equilibrium, and at that time equilibrium becomes the concentration of B. So rate of forward action equal to rate of backward action at equilibrium. So kf is equal to a equilibrium equal to kb into b equilibrium. So we can write k by kb is nothing but the kc, and this is equal to b equilibrium by a equilibrium. Already we have seen this is nothing. We can see here, from here you can see if this becomes 0, so we can see from here kf into a minus x c, or you can write here x equilibrium. This is the x equilibrium, this is the x equilibrium or R equilibrium. So this becomes what? This is going out positive side, so k by kb equal to b plus x equilibrium by a minus x equilibrium. So this is the same value. So kc this by this, or k by kb equal to this is from this and this we can say that k by kb is equal to this value. So now kf equal to a minus x equilibrium and kb equal to b plus x equilibrium. So k by kb into a minus x equilibrium minus x equilibrium equal to b. So from this is the third equation. So this equation will be useful. So this equation is you can substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1? So equation 1 we can see, so already we have calculated. So this is our equation 1, dx by dt equal to kf into a minus x into. So we will substitute the value of b over here. So what we will get? So on substituting, so kf equal to a minus x minus kb into kb, this is the b value, so this is the whole value substituted, and plus x. So this is equal to solving. So if you solve it, kf into a minus x, so this will be cancelled, kf into a minus x plus kb into x equilibrium minus kb into x. So finally you will get this equation, and you will get kf into x equilibrium minus x plus kb into x equilibrium minus x. So dx by dt equal to kf plus kb into x equilibrium minus x. So this is the differential equation of this one. Now we will integrate. So on integrating the dx upon x equilibrium minus x, so from 0 to x, this is our limit, and for k plus kb equal to dt, so the time limit is 0 to t. Initially 0, finally is t. So this is nothing but the log natural log x equilibrium by x equilibrium minus. So on integration, this will be k plus kb into time t. So our this is natural log, so we can convert it to 2.303. So this is k plus kb is equal to 2.303 into t, so log of x equilibrium divided by x equilibrium minus x. Now from here you can see, so it appears that it is a independent of initial concentration. It is looking like this, there is no initial concentration, but actually x equilibrium is the actually initial concentration in this equation. So this equation is similar to k equal to 2.303 divided by t into log of a minus a minus. So this is the first order kinetics. So this equation becomes the first order kinetics. So the graph will be like this one. So already we have seen it. It's a concentration versus time graph. So this is the rate of reaction of the A graph. That is the K2. I think this will be your K1. This will be your K1, and this will be your not K1. This is your Kf. This is your Kb, and this is your rate of concentration of graph of B. The concentration of B is increasing. Okay, concentration of A is decreasing. So A to B and B to A. So this is the concentration versus time graph. And from again equilibrium B, this is equation 2, k by kb equal to b plus x equilibrium divided by a minus x equilibrium. So kb is equal to how much? So this multiplied by this divided by this one, and k plus kb will be equal to k plus kf into this, and kf will be equal to how much? So if you take out kf common, so this becomes your 1 plus whole value, and if you solve it, so on solving you will get the kf is equal to a plus b divided by b plus x equilibrium. video. So from equation 5, K plus Kb equal to 2.03 divided by t log of x equilibrium divided by x equilibrium minus x. So this already we have derived before. So we can write kf into a plus b, b plus x equilibrium, that is equal to 2.303 divided by t into log of x equilibrium by x equilibrium minus x. So this is a kf into t. So if you multiply kf into 2, so this is equal to 2.303 into a plus b divided by b plus x cubed log of x equilibrium by log of x equilibrium minus x. So we can write this one. So this is just rearranging. So this becomes your kf equal into t equal to 2.303. So this will be your log equilibrium, and this will be a b plus x equilibrium, and this will a plus b will down, this will go up. So we will get this equation. So this is the equation if at equilibrium when concentration B is not equal to 0. So for example, cyclopropane is converting to propene. Now we'll see different cases for the reversible reaction. So first case, first order opposed by the first order, that we have seen. This is the first order opposed by the first order. Now case 2, first order opposed by the second order. Second order means A is converted to B plus C. So this is the Kf, this is Kb initially, this is the concentration of A, this is Bb 0 0, and this will be your Xx, this is A minus X. So by using differential rate equation, so we can write dx by dt equal to Kf into rate of reaction of A minus X minus Kb into X into A, X into X. So you will get Kf into A minus X minus Kb into X square. So on integrating we will get, so Kf into dt equal to A minus X equilibrium divided by x equilibrium, and this is equal to 2.303 log of x equilibrium plus x into A minus X equilibrium divided by A into X equilibrium minus X. For example, R4 NCl is undergoing reversible reaction R3N plus RCl. So I am not giving the full reaction, this is the final. I am just, if you calculate you will get this reaction. Case number 3. So for reversible reactions, second order is opposed by the first order. So this is the 2 second orders is opposed by the first order. So in same way we'll calculate in the same way. So initially this will be A, B, 2 different, this is 0, and at in time interval t, so this is A minus X, B minus, this will be X. So by using differential rate equation, so dx by dt is equal to Kf into product of this concentration minus Kb into X. Now if A plus is equal to B, so in this case if you take A is equal to B, then we can write this A can be B, or this can be A by B can be A. So if you integrate this equation, this will be 0. So on integrating whole dx by whole into whole of t, so you will get here Kf into t. Integrating means if you integrate this one, dx by whole equation and dt in integration of dt. So you will get here kf into t. I am not calculating. So you will get equation A square minus x equilibrium square divided by x equilibrium. We are eliminating b and replacing b by a, so we will get this equation, and you will get 2.303 log of x equilibrium into a square minus x into x equilibrium divided by a square into x equilibrium minus x. And this is an example. So ammonium, so this is alkyl ammonium, so this is the ammonium R plus plus CNO, this will give you NH2CO NHR. So this type of equilibrium is followed by this example. Case number 4, where for the reversible reaction second order is opposed by the second order. So A plus B is giving C plus D, so this is Kf by Kb. So initially this will be A, B, this is 0 0, and after a time, any time t, this becomes A minus x, B minus x, this is xx. So differential rate expression will be dx by dt equal to Kf into product of this concentration A minus x, and this is B minus x, and this will give you minus Kb into x square. So again, if you use the A equal to B, so for our easy calculation, if you take A is equal to B, so on integrating this dx by whole equation into integration of dt, so we will get Kf into dt 2a into A minus A equilibrium divided by x equilibrium whole square is equal to 2.33 log of x into A minus 2 x equilibrium plus A into x equilibrium divided by A into x equilibrium minus x. So this is example. O3 plus NO is converted into O2 plus. So this is undergoing second order opposed by the second order. So now we'll see some numericals, one numericals. So for a reversible first order reaction, this is reversible first order reaction. So Kf is given this much 10 to the minus 2 seconds, and B equilibrium by A equilibrium is equal to 4. Now if initial amount of A is how much, 0.01 molar moles per liter, and B naught is 0, so what will be the concentration of B after 30 seconds? So after 30 seconds, what is the concentration of B? So this B, what is the concentration? So A is converted to B. So initially this is the concentration 0.01, and after any time t, so this is reversible. So this becomes your X equilibrium. This is 0.01 minus X. So K is nothing but the B equilibrium divided by A equilibrium. So this concentration is given 10 to the minus 2, and we need to find Kb. So Kf is given. This is the Kf. This is the Kb. And again Kc also given, that is 4. So 4 by Kb is given. So Kb nothing, 4 by this is equal to X equilibrium divided by 0.01 minus X equilibrium. So from here we can calculate what is Kb, this by this, this by this. So Kb is equal to 0.025 in 10 to the power minus 2, and X equilibrium will be how much? So B is given, this is given, so it's 4 by this value. So if you put it, you will get the X equilibrium value. So X equilibrium will be 0.04 by 5, so you will get this much value. Again Kf plus Kb will be this much value. So we will calculate the time. So time will be how much? So 2.303 divided by K plus Kb log of X equilibrium by X equilibrium minus X. So K plus Kb is 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 2. So we will substitute this value over here, and log of this is X equilibrium is given, and X equilibrium minus X will be is equal to T. So anti-log of this is the whole value is given as 1.455. So solving, you will get the decomposed X is how much? 2.